Wow, that's a nice lip scrub. Ugh. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Let me set this down. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. In today's video, we're just chilling, we're just relaxing. I am going to call this installment Tipsy IPSY Unboxing because that's what we're doing. Are you surprised that I thought of that name? Because I kind of am. I had an IPSY bag arrive. I honestly forgot that I have this subscription anymore. I switched to every other month because I was actually like getting really disappointed in all the products I was getting, and I just kind of felt that for $25 a month I could actually spend it on something I actually wanted. So yes, this came in the mail and I forgot, and we're just gonna unbox it together. Nothing fancy today.
Wow.
That's what it looks like. It's kind of cute actually. Now, because this is an impromptu video, I have absolutely no idea how much these things cost. So when I'm editing this video, I'm gonna pop the number over here, okay? Cool. All right, this is the June 2021 box, and this is Do You. Yes, honey. This month, amp up everything that makes you happy. Oh, I like that. Glitter liners, yes. Rainbow accents, yes. And celebrate the beauty that comes from being you. Yeah, I like that. Unfortunately, this all looks like skincare, and this is exactly the reason I stopped getting these damn IPSY bags. I don't like getting all this skincare in a bag. I would much rather prefer to buy my own skincare, something that I know my skin needs and that I'm actually kind of interested in. Okay, the first product is the Hannah Lee Sugar Lip Scrub. Massage onto lips to exfoliate dryness, then wipe away with a tissue. I mean, smells citrusy. My lips have been kind of crusty today. Wow, that's a nice lip scrub. Moving on. The next product is the Mud Masky Serum Infused Eye Mask. Ooh, eye mask. Reduces dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. It's fragrance free. Okay, I think I might actually like this product. This is specially formulated for the thin and sensitive skin under your eyes. Contains a super high level of natural antioxidants. Improves elasticity after 4 to 7 uses. By improving elasticity, your skin looks visibly less dark and less sunken. Okay, fair enough. Eventually, after 7 to 12 uses, fine lines around your eyes are visibly smoothed. Note, smells a bit funky. Because your skin around the eyes hates perfume but loves the antioxidants of premium Japanese matcha tea. Smells a little funky. Oh god. What does it smell like? Ah, oh. Ugh. Well, I'll let you know how I get along with that. Okay, Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil Duo. This nourishing lip oil duo pairs Plumeria Petal, a lush pink, with Mahina Moon, a shimmering sexy gold. These universally gorgeous hues hydrate with coconut oil and pomegranate seed, imparting a glow like the sun, moon, and stars, vegan and cruelty-free. They look like that. Okay, let's see here. This is Plumeria Petals. Oh good, because I wiped off all my lip stuff, you know, when I put that mask on, so. Plumeria Petals. Decent, normal little thing, okay. This one is Mahina Moon. Am I pretty now? Okay. I like it. Next. Ooh, 111 Skin. Okay, I had a 111 Skin item like many months ago, and I loved it. Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Okay, I think this is just a skin serum. I cannot read that. Look how mirrory that is. Mirrory. Is that a word? Where the hell are my glasses at? Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer or apply directly to skin after cleansing. And this is supposed to be for radiance. Oh, I'm gonna like that. I like 111 skin a lot, so good job, IPSY. You did good this time. Oh, we're to our last product. Bummer. This is from Real Her. I tried Real Her once before. It was a eyeliner. I Am Divine Power Wear Probiotic Foundation, Blue Light Technology. Ooh, okay. I've never gotten a foundation in my IPSY bag, and this is probably gonna not be good. Shake well, apply a small amount to the center of your face, stipple and blend outward using Real Her's Building My Empire applicator wand. Well, shit. And I'm not gonna buy it. Build until desired effect is achieved. I'm confused. What is that? Was there meant to be a... I mean... Ew, it looks kind of gross. Oh, it feels very serum-y, like it's going to be very light. The shade match actually I don't think is going to be that bad. So let me, I don't know. Okay, I will give this a shot and let you know what I think about it. Those were all of the 5 products that I received in my June 2021 IPSY makeup bag. Whew, okay, that was a lot of words. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!